capable of towing 4.3-ton forklifts. But can our scrubber conquer slopes? We simulate real-world operating conditions. Water tanks fill to full capacity for hill climbing test. As shown, scrubber features float type level indicator. Enables easy monitoring of tank capacity. After filling tanks until overflow, we drive scrubber onto weighbridge to verify the weight of the test load. We proceed to drive scrubber to weighbridge. Overfilled tanks may spill during bumpy transit. For test rigor, tanks are refilled after each drive. Continuous shot. Weighbridge verifies current load weight. Extended process. Thank you for your patience. Scrubber built with robust materials and heavy-duty chassis. Ensures safe operation on all road surfaces. Left screen shows weighbridge display from auxiliary camera. After stabilization, total load reads 638 kg. Next, we drive scrubber to underground parking. Testing slope capability from B2 to garage exit. B2 to B1 slope reaches nearly 20 degrees. Industry standard requires only 15 degrees, with 18 degrees as limit. But we believe strict standards forge premium products. Industry limit, merely our baseline requirement. Garage has steep slope, smooth surface, and recessed speed bumps. Can our scrubber succeed under 638 kg load? Test commences now. Let's witness together. For authenticity, tanks are refilled again. Continuous shot of climb, no acceleration or editing. Note, the extreme test is only for detecting the scrubber performance. During normal operation, the liquid tanks must be emptied before climbing test. Despite various adverse factors, our scrubber steadily ascends without hesitation. Now entering the steeper mid to late section. Scrubber maintains steady ascent without hesitation. Scrubber reaches slope summit. B2 to B1. Slope test successfully completed. Challenge continues. Proceeding to B1 exit section. This is the B1 to exit ramp. Surface wear exceeds B to B1 section. Maximum slope reaches 23 degrees, far beyond 18-degree industry limit. Can our scrubber withstand this tougher challenge? Let's see. Tanks refilled again. Authentic test. Still continuous shot. Testing resumes. Slope challenge officially begins. Note, the extreme test is only for detecting the scrubber performance. During normal operation, the liquid tanks must be emptied before climbing test. Initial section has relatively even gradient, but slope steepness increases shortly. Surface has higher wear, granular pavement with recessed speed bumps. Slope gradually approaches 23 degrees. Our scrubber overcomes adverse conditions at constant speed. Navigates damaged road section toward exit. Slope gradient remains challenging. Scrubber continues steady progress without stalling. After this section, slope gradually levels. Hereby we declare front traction scrubber, 638 kilograms. Extreme hill climbing test successfully completed. Pursuing excellence, driving innovation, premium materials. We keep exploring better products. Ellerine products deliver a cleaner future.